Hi guys, so this is Bird Sanctuary. Let's get some more information at the information board. Governor Gore's Pond. This freshwater wetland is fed by an underground spring. The vegetation around the pond is cattails, smokewood, and buttonwood, with some sedges and grasses. The site is used by species preferring fresh water. Okay guys, so now we're gonna walk through the path. Guys, I'm feeding them bread. There's also little minnows, I think. Wait, so it's fun. The duck. Hi guys, so this is Bird Sanctuary, and this is called Gordon or Gourd Pond. And these are turtles, beautiful turtles. There's a swan over there. It's quite hard to see because you have to go over here a bit. And these are the turtles. Those are minnows, like in the middle of the water. I think those are minnows. And looks like they've been taking care of the earth because there's like sandbags, I think, or dirt bags down there. Oh, that's plastic. Or that just might be something else. Okay guys, so this is the lake. And over there, I think that's a candy. I do not know. Okay, so. Okay, so that's the mud. There's mud over there because it's a lake. So, and that's dirt, and that makes mud. And also a rock. And I also heard crickets, dragonflies over there flying around. And also here we have bugs in the bushes. Love bugs, ladybugs, and ants. Okay guys, please like and subscribe, and please watch the rest of our videos, and please support us on our content so we can continue on making more. See you in our next vlog!